AMC and GameStop, GME short interest, what is going on? So I just posted an update video yesterday, and it seems like the short interest has actually changed on AMC just within a couple hours. And I actually ended up filming that video like super late at night, so it seems like it must have done it a couple hours ago. And I mean, look at today. So like for instance, you can see here, I don't know if it's hard to see on my computer, but like right when it turns a little like orangey-ish color, it basically goes from the 9th of February to essentially the 10th, which is today. And it looks like a lot of people are starting to buy in, at least temporarily. So if we were just to measure it at basically the beginning of the 10th, and then we'll go all the way up to the all-time high for this, at least the current time I'm filming. I mean, we're looking at like 18%, give or take. And right now it's above 15% so far increase just in one day. And it seems like there wasn't really anything major yet, just besides, the short interest data supposedly being released. And for instance, like when I went to the Reddit post yesterday, right? Let me just show you guys really quick. So before they didn't have this AMC filled out, but the rest were still the same. And it actually decreased, right? So yesterday when I was filming this, let's go over to FINRA. The short interest was actually 38.12, and now all of a sudden it's at 15.7. Yet we're up about 15+%, like I showed you on the trading view chart. And then GameStop, it's still the same, GME. It looks like the price or the short interest hasn't really changed. Yet on the other websites like Fintel, Wall Street Journal, you can see that they're still, it still says the same stuff. So let me just click on it real quick just to make sure, like in case he forgot to update his post. But yeah, see, 66% afloat. So not too sure what's going on with FINRA and why it said it. Because look, he said too, some people have reported it's not updating for them. And even on other content creators, I saw that even GME literally said like 226, I believe. And then when I was filming it, it updated back to 78. So it seems like to me, I don't even know where to look now in terms of what's accurate and what's not. But even GameStop's up about, almost 10%. So, I mean, depending on what happens in the next few days, we'll just have to wait and see. But do you think these numbers, especially for AMC, because short interest is, that's quite low, right? 15.7 compared to GME, which is literally, almost 100, close to 100, right? So definitely let me know what you think about this data, and if there's any other information in terms of the actual short interest that you can show me on like another website, let me know in the comments below. I'll check it out, or even share any other posts that have more insights in terms of like these numbers and whether or not they think it's accurate. Because even on here, I believe if he shows it, this person posted, again, you'd have to double check, but they say that there's a small fine, like 149K, apparently for just, not giving the accurate data. So, I mean, that's literally pennies to them if they're going to end up losing billions of dollars, right? So who knows what's right and what's wrong. Technically, we won't know unless, AMC goes crazy hyperbolic, then we'll pretty much know. But until then, it seems like we're just trying to figure out the what's going on with the actual short interest data. So if you want to keep up with the updates and follow along for more market news and research out there, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Like this video, share this with your friends, and comment down below if you are still holding AMC or GME, and if you think this short interest data is accurate or if it's not.